In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply a bottom border in Microsoft Word. But before I do, make sure to subscribe. A bottom border under a heading or paragraph gives a document a clean, professional look. And I think it's a lot better than simply underlining that word or phrase or title, because it stretches further across the document. So how to do this? First, you're going to select where you want that border to go. In this case, I want it to go through here. Select here or highlight the whole thing. All of those work. Then you're going to go to the Home tab and we're going to look for this symbol. Select the downward arrow and we're going to look for bottom border. If you want to make this even more profound and make it stand out more, we can do this by selecting it again and going to Borders and Shading. And this dialog box will open up. Keep it on Custom. Increase the width of the line. And we're going to make it slightly dotted. We might have to change the width here again. And we're going to click OK. And now when I reapply that line, it's made it completely different than it was before. A quicker way to do this is select directly below your phrase or the part of your document. Because I want to put the border to come through here. I'm going to select here. Then you're going to type in 3 dashes and hit Enter. This will insert a bottom border through here. I actually have another video on how to draw lines in Word, including a method such as this. I'll put it in the description below. If this video has helped you, then please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you want to learn more about how to apply bottom borders in Microsoft Word or even lines in Microsoft Word, then visit my website at www.wordmadeeasy.org. The link is in the description below.